Here's a GTO that we just got in and is now available to purchase. 1968 Pontiac GTO. Two-door hardtop. Yes, this is a true GTO. 242 code car is how we can tell that from the VIN. And also the style number on the data tag, which is on the cowl. We do have pictures of those. Speaking of the pictures, if you want to check out the underside, engine bay, interior, run our website by you real quick. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the pictures of this car. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Finished off in the bright orange. A little orangier maybe in person than it shows up in the video here. If I get on top of it there, you can see the dark orange. Obviously the paint has a nice luster to it. It's not that old a paint. This car has undergone some restoration work as far as with sheet metal paint, interior, engine compartment. It does have a 400 in it yet. It is not the original 400. It came out of a little later model or a little newer GTO. There's about $7,000 worth of receipts that I was looking through from engine being taken out, putting back in. I know the transmission, previous owner, that was rebuilt this year yet. It does have a his or her shifter in it. Upholstery work, so parts and labor, $7,000 give or take worth of receipts. So a lot of the restoration work has been done to this car. A few things you could do, take to the next level, the headlight doors, some of the emblems, GTO emblems going on there. Just some little things to really make this car pop and kind of bring it to the next level. Take a look at the interior. You can see, as far as interior, again, finished off very, very nicely. So the upholstery work was done to it. Dash could use a little TLC, a couple cracks in there where that GTO pad is. They're kind of covering up a little bit of damage over on the driver's side. But I'd call this a nice driver. It's a great rumble to it, great sound to it. Come around to the back, you can see the bright work is in nice shape, dual exhaust. And again, check out the still picture so you can check out the underside of this car, the floor pans, trunk, interior, engine bay. Check out those still pictures. Those can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. And of course, our phone number one more time, should say 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with transportation to where you're located at. We help people out throughout the continental U.S. each day, get cars shipped to them. So don't be afraid to ask about transportation or how that works. Again, you can see the paint has a nice luster to it. It's even. Fresher paint done. Quite a few receipts, like I said earlier, $7,000 plus or minus on miscellaneous drivetrain, interior, parts and labor. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. I'm going to fire this up so you hear the nice rumble out of that 400 that's underneath the hood. It's your GTO door cards. Again, you can see how nice the upholstery and interior is on this side. Headliner was done. Let's go ahead and fire this up from here around. There's the shifter. A little aftermarket cat gauge has been added underneath there. A little later model radio too. I have not had the radio on or working. Did not appear that the pack on the dash was working. Like I said, both TLC to take this car to the next level. You can really have a nice GTO or drive it and enjoy it the way it is, because it still has a great look to it, great sound to it. Flip around to the back, you can hear this. 400 with a nice rumble to it. Take it to any of your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins, or just out for some fun. Let's flip around up to the front. We'll pop the hood so you can check out that engine bay and see and hear the engine running. Show you that also. All right, here we go. You can see how tidy the engine bay is. Nice it is underneath the hood there. Again, engine was put in here out of a little newer GTO, but it is a 400 V8 there. All the work was done not that long ago. tidy into here. Power steering, power brakes. There might be a little bit of a cam in there. But smooth running engine. Nice little rumble coming out of that 400. So there you go. 1968 Pontiac GTO. Two-door hardtop is a true GTO 242 car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, you can check out the still pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and of course, we can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.